Having discomfort in your lower back? Let's first identify the cause. Slide your finger down from the spine. See this point on the left? The left side is a bit tight. Next, let's do some joint relaxation. Find the spinous process and move 2 fingers outwards. Then press downward. Okay, adjust your breathing. Usually, do this 5 to 10 times. Once that joint is relaxed, we'll locate the next spot. Here it is, found it. Okay, press down with the base of your palm, adjust your breathing. Okay, after that, let's check again. See if the tension on both sides is the same. Okay, that should do it.